Hello everyone! In this video we'll be creating realistic boucle material in 3ds Max. Boucle fabric with its distinctive loop and knotted texture is a popular choice for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication in your 3D projects. In this video we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of designing boucle material to your models. We'll cover everything from setting up the basic material parameters to adding intricate details that make boucle material so unique. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, you'll find useful tips and techniques to enhance your 3D renders. So, it's time to start creating some beautiful boucle material in 3ds Max. Open the Slate Material Editor, create a Corona Legacy MTL and name it Boucle. Next, drag a composite general map next to your material. Open its settings and add a new layer. We'll need 2 layers in this case. In layer 1, add a bitmap with the boucle texture. You can use the files from this video. The link to download these maps can be found in the description. You can use any other texture, but ensure that the image is seamless and of good quality. In our case, we use the image boucle diff. For layer 2, use a Corona color map and set the color with the following values. For red, 235, for green, 228, and for blue, 220. In the composite map, set the opacity of layer 1, the one with the texture, to 50, to mix it up with the color. Make sure the layer with the texture is on top. Next, before connecting the map to the diffuse channel, we'll use a fall of map to achieve slight color variation depending on the viewing angle. When the camera is aimed directly at the surface, it shows the darker color, and at an angle it becomes lighter, which is specific to fabrics. We'll need color correction map for both the lighter and darker effects and connect each to map 1 and map 2 of the fall-off. In the first color correction, reduce the yellowness of the material and set the saturation to -52. In lightness, use the advanced settings and reduce the RGB gamma contrast to 0.5. This will generate the darker texture. For the second color correction, reduce the saturation to -10 and increase the RGB gamma contrast to 2.2 for a brighter effect. In the fall-off map parameters, go to the mix curve. Select the first vertex, right-click and convert it to Bezier corner. Then adjust the curve by dragging the handle up. This will create a more appropriate effect for boucle material rather than using a linear graph. Connect the fall-off map to the diffuse channel of the base material. Next, we'll add a bump effect to make the boucle knots visible and realistic. Details are crucial for realistic material. We'll use a Corona normal map in the bump channel. Check Add Gamma to input in its parameters and use a bitmap with a file named Boucle Normal. Add it to normal channel. Also use Boucle Bump file in the additional bump channel. Next, increase the bump intensity to 3 in the Corona normal map parameters. This will increase the bump effect that we want to achieve. Now, let's adjust some settings in the base material. Set the reflection level to 03, glossiness to 04, and Fresnel IOR to 2. To give a displacement effect, just change the displacement amount from 0 to 18 mm for maximum level. Finally, increase the overall bump amount to 10 or higher, depending on what is the result you want to achieve. Let's see what we get with these settings. And there you have it, we've successfully created a realistic boucle material in 3ds Max by carefully setting up the textures, colors and detail parameters. We've achieved a material that captures the unique look and feel of boucle fabric. Don't forget to experiment with different settings and textures to see how you can customize the material for your specific projects. The techniques we've covered today can be applied to various other materials, so feel free to get creative and explore. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more 3ds Max tutorials. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy rendering!